So turn a frown into a crown. It's Tyrelloween. Which... Okay, so this hand isn't staying up. It was right there. It was symmetrical. Now it's not, because this one keeps falling down. That's how you know the left hands are better. My left hand has been there for me a lot. What's up, guys? Welcome to Tyrelloween! Didn't know what to call it. Someone tweeted me that, said Tyrelloween, and I was like, oh, that's cool. So it's now called Tyrelloween, where I will be filming spooky videos the whole entire month of October. I'm so ready. October is my favorite month. So I started Tyrelloween out with a spooky Ask Tyrell. I asked you guys to tweet me questions under the hashtag spooky Ask Tyrell, and I got a lot of very creepy, scary, frightening ones, and I'm so ready to answer them. So let's just get it poppin'. If there was a purge, what would be the first thing you'd do? I'd definitely run
away from my problems just like I do now. Nothing new.
I'd get the best food that I could get, and I'd get a bunch of it. I'd run into my closest church and hide there by myself and just eat all the food, and then no one would find me. What's your favorite Halloween / scary themed movie or show? Definitely American Horror Story. That's my favorite. I watch every single season like 4 times, and now Cult's happening, and it's so good! Watch it. Would you rather have terrifying nightmares every night or see scary things that aren't there? I love you. I love you too. I feel like I'd rather have terrifying nightmares, because then if I saw things that aren't there, it'd be like when I was awake in real life, so I'd rather just do it when I was sleeping, and then wake up and have a normal day. Tell us a spooky story. Here we go. I gotta get my light. Does this look creepy? Once upon a time, not very long ago, there was a little boy. That little boy was walking down the street, and while that little boy was walking down the street, he saw something. What did he see, you ask? It was a scary thing that he saw. That scary thing that he saw. Boy, was it scary. It was terrifying. And that terrifying thing that he saw, he ran away from it like a smart little boy would. That smart little boy kept running and running away from that terrifying, scary thing. But that terrifying, scary thing, it had some really long arms. So what the terrifying, scary thing did... Bah! He took the boy. The end. Was that good? Was that good? Was that a good story? Was that a good story for y'all? Did you get scared? Do you still go trick-or-treating? No. I still owe my brother's Halloween candy, and then I go in my basement and watch scary movies by myself. What would Pennywise tell you to get down in the sewer with him? See, I don't like Pennywise. I don't like clowns, so it'd take a lot. If he gave me unlimited Panda Express or Chinese food for a year, I would go down there. What's your worst Halloween experience? One year in like 6th or 7th grade, me and my friends were like trick-or-treating, and there was this creepy ass guy. Well, he had like a mask on. I'm pretty sure it was like a clown mask, and he was just like at the corner, so he was like, oh hell no, we're not interacting with that. So he turned around, walked around the other block, got some more treats, and then this clown, he was in that corner too! So he followed us around for like an hour. And then we finally called my friend's mom. She picked us up. We got away from the clown. Would you rather have Pennywise's forehead or his hairline? I have both! Do you see this?
Take a shot for every wrinkle you see.
It's so disgusting. Name something you wouldn't want to run into in a dark forest or in an abandoned building. See, I wouldn't run into a dark forest or abandoned building because I don't want to get killed. What was the most embarrassing Halloween costume you dressed up as? I don't know why I'm about to tell this, or why I'm about to show a picture, but in 6th grade I was Britney Spears. What would you do if Pennywise tells you your crush is down here with me? P.S. Ah! Why are you scaring me like that? Yes, I would go down there if my crush was down there. I would save her. I do not want her to die. I need her. I do not want her to die. I need her to stay alive. So yes, I would go down there and save her. If you killed someone, how would you get rid of the body? Knowing me, I would fail at getting rid of the body and then I'd get caught. So I'd hire like Dexter to do it and then I wouldn't get caught. Why is that the scariest thing of this video? Your thoughts on the Halloween song?
Change my name
to spooky easy. I was a savage, turn into a bad bitch. Look at it, you stay sad, you're gonna get sad. The bitch turn a frown into a clown. It's Halloween so weird. I'll eat your insecurity. You stay sad, you're gonna get sad. The bitch
Blast off your sad thoughts in a sad and bitch.
Halloween song, now say it with.
So then I'm gonna do it, don't tell a whistle, witch.
I'm tired. Ouch! Would you rather date a witch or a zombie? I feel like I'd rather date a witch, even though if I broke her heart, she'd be putting some spell on me and that would not be good. But I wouldn't break her heart because I'm a good dude. So I'd rather date the witch. What's your opinion on clowns? No, 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 no. Show us a fetus Halloween picture. I have so many fetus Halloween pictures. I'll just add one into every transition starting now. Reenact a horror scene but make it extra AF. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reenact the scene in American Horror Story Season 1 with Tate and Violet. I'll show the original clip and then I'll show my clip.
I can't be with you. I won't be with you.
What are you saying?
I'm saying go away.
What? No! Don't do this!
Go away, Tate!
You're all I want! You're all I have!
I can't be with you. I won't be with you. What are you saying? I'm saying go away. What? No! Don't do this! Go away, Tate! You're all I want! You're all I have! Go away! Go away! Ah! Oh.
I've had enough of y'all scaring me like that!
Why are you so iconic? I don't know, Larry. Why are you so iconic? I learned my iconicness from you. Do you like candy corn? I mean... my stomach growled when I read that question. Did you hear that? I am one hungry fat ass. But yes, I can get down to some candy corn. It's not my favorite, but it's okay, you know? It's one of those things where it's just like, it's okay. If you were a character from AHS, who would it be? I'd definitely be Queenie, because she is the funniest person ever. I love her, and it's so sad that she died in. You are the next target on the clown's cult. Blah! You're the next target on the clown's cult list to kill. I've had to read this question so many times. You are the next target on the clown cult's list to kill. How would you like them to kill you? I don't want them to kill me. I don't want to die. I'd try and be friends with them. I want to live. What are you gonna be for Halloween? See, I don't know yet. I like to procrastinate on things and do it last minute. So I'll probably find that out like October 30th. Have you ever had an encounter with a ghost? I haven't like seen a ghost, but me and my mom went to a medium a few days ago and it was the coolest thing ever.
If you don't know what a medium is, it is a person who can communicate with the dead.
They told me so many cool things and I'm just like, it was good. It was good. I definitely would recommend going to one. It was way cool. Play Ouija with your mom and record it. I don't play with demons, so no. I dare you to summon a demon. I just barely said I don't play with demons. How to summon a demon. These are telling me demons to summon. It's not telling me how to summon a demon. Put a scary mask on and send a message to Donald Trump. Boy, do I have the perfect mask. Here we go. Get your together, you f***ing ugly pumpkin looking ugly. Can this be your last question? Yes, it can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for sending questions on the hashtag SpookyAskTyrell. This was a very fun video to film for my first Tyrelloween video. Next week, you'll get another one, and then the week after that, and then the week after that, until October is over. So thank you guys for asking me questions. It really means a lot that I actually got a lot of questions. I'm so sorry if I didn't answer yours. There will always be a next time. I love you guys. Stay spooky. Peace! What? No! You're all I want! You're all I have!